How to add filter in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add filter to your live stream. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this video icon. Simply tap on this video icon. So this is the place where you can easily start streaming. So simply tap on the stream, and here you'll be able to find different options available. Here on the top, there's a beauty icon. Simply tap on beauty, and here you'll be able to add different filters and add different makeups to your face. Here you can see different customization that you can do. So you can simply select on them, and later it will automatically be applied to your face. So after doing that and setting it up, you can simply start streaming and going live on Bigo. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.